Aprang se KARDOM kado kave la Karbi Teach 2.0 YouTube channel long ke langara doana fans tami la pen pinili thata nili nali tuma pan VORENG AWARSAI puthak si nang than pachini pon ikpo pini VORENG AWARSAI labangke Karbi Anglong Arlo ke klang labangso VORENG AWARSAI puthak si nali tum pan nang than pachini pon ikpo la pen puthot nili pini tami dokan Arlo si nili labangso video bang simar pon iklo la pen nang li tum jong si labangso YouTube channel long nang ka homri milang pol ka ching hon pen subscribe igon la pen adung hes tami bella jan theklangi hodak tami nang li tum ber pon idenon la lo pulte monon phini li ajada son le labangso YouTube channel long paklang pon tami nang li tum ta kachinda prang pen kelang long da prang ye fan tangti pathiek pen pini labangso VORENG AWARSAI puthak le details mate klarda kalam lang ponona Aprang sina itum la screen along thek pon long ekpo screen along ke tok labang ke Office of the Chief Judicial Magistrate Karbi Anglong Assam ahin pen sta meda advertisement peklang pon lo advertisement ka peklang pon adet labang ke 9 February 2023 se paklang pon lo la penda ke tok pon alam thela bang ke la son hela application are invited from the citizen of India defined under articles 5 and 6 of the Constitution of India for filling up one no exciting vacancy of peon in the establishment of Chief Judicial Magistrate Karbi Anglong Difu Assam in the pay scale as so below the talk thalop scale of pay bankela pan da post Karla Judicial Magistrate ahin bestame dak VORENG AWARSAI piklang bon labangso pijon afanda ingsia post do Ning Kehang Atum fiatum nalitum jogdoni te jogdon igon lapen details bandak se tokpon iglablo details ke tokpon la bangke serial number lapen name of post bangke dak ing sibela post bangke pion post la lapen number of vacant post bandak ing sido lapen pay scale dak 12,000 pen 52,000 an nalitum dak long pon ikpo lapen education qualification bang maximum educational qualification is class 8 pass and the chok lapen those who have passed SSLC or above shall eligible in apply to set the post. However, candidate possessing a special skill in plumbing, electrician and driving may be given reference no need basis lapen dag lesson stop pona class 8 and the pasta me lapen category bang dag unreserved la kadu kaveta dag jogdun igme lapen apply dun igme lapulo ke tok pon dalam the bang lapen dak eligibility bang lang pon lang 1 number lang nali tum dak pen thek pon long ikpo 1 number lang pang ke tok la bang ke the candidate must be an indigenous citizenship candidate nang pola pen dak number 2 lang bang ke the candidate must possess the maximum educational qualification class it on a pass nang pola pen the candidate not less than 18 years pen aki kom la pen 40 years pen aki ong candidate nang po lapen dag lason la age relation na tung lang pon lapen ka apply ning a process banili na than pon tu ikpo eligible candidates will have to apply in standard form of application mate nalitum standard of form labang so dim nalitum fill up ignang po ka apply a process lo lapen published in the Gazette Part 9 of Government of Assam la Part 9 Assam Gazette labang so standard of form nos nalitum fill up dun ignang po mate tok ignang po lapen nalitum la screen along ke thek bon long address the Chief Judicial Magistrate Karbi Anglong Difu Medical College labang so dong sido la dagda hudam sinalitum jogdun ignang po lapen last date bang dag labang so chiklo 25 February 2023 si last date la 5 aning exam 5 pm an nala lapen number 2 lang bang ke the application must be the incompatible with the flowing dark teglong ikpon ni piklang pon to ikpon nalitum fan lapen dak tok pena ando nalitum lang pon iktame a number 3 recent color passport size photo with the signature of the reserve site reverse sites sana reverse site bang te lapen dak bang ke color photo pak thom nang pol lapen signature nang pol lapen shall attested copy of this memo supporting his age certificate piker mate ka certificate
आधार नंबर बेर एक पेन
certificate lalo lapen number silong takpan mobile number ta pidun nang po nang litum aki air pen sitok nang po standard form along in red ink nang litum dak thek po nang po lapen number 3 along candidates already in government service must apply through the proper channel along with no objection certificate la dunang pola pen dak pina anason dak tok pono nang litum lang pon iktamela advertisement alulong pina anang litum dak thek pon long igi lasinili kadoka ve dak details an manili nang litum phanda na than pachini edat pola pen interview a process bang dak selection process manani to lang pon the candidate will have to appear in an interview with a voice on their own express. The selection will be made purely on merit basis. The selection no individual call letter will be issued to candidates. However, the list of eligibility candidates that of interview labangke interview jongsi adak amen cek lang dun pulten alitum la bangso website dong se humri dam ignang po www.karbianglong.gov.in bangso website long dam pen alitum lang dam ikmelo la merit list APHUTHAK nalitum hadak pen cek dam ikmelo lalo kita bang laan dak doos taminili ang ton pen bang nang litum hanam piklang thai matin ang than pon thai tak thek thedet po la pen alitum jong si ning kehang abang pu abang fitum jogdoni pulten nalitum prabjin pen jogdoni gon la pen la aprang si jogji aprang nalitum labangso advertisement alu bangin nang litum lang paprang ingon lap le nang litum jogdon igon lapen la standard form kona silo ima pulte nili pan na humri ingon nili nang litum panang senik po lapen ka fill up ning process tanang litum nili video ka upload tang ta dolo ko son son sika fill up ning ma labang tanang litum hola bangso video long lang pen ta nang litum fill up dan tek ikpo lasi labangso video nang litum ka an maser unser igon lapen video lang misen pulte nang litum like comment labang ting nipin penali tumpi gon lapan labang so YouTube channel long jong sina kamri milang pul nang litum coaching hon pen subscribe gon tang de pinya video long mala anchalo domi thak mi kadu ka ve Karbi Teach 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ra do on fans tame nilihin pen KARDOM